Quite a grey start this morning. The sun has managed to break through in parts of the British Isles. Here in London, for instance, a little bit of hazy sunshine this afternoon, but increasing amounts of cloud are going to make that sunshine rather limited, especially towards the end of the day. Now there's rain moving in from the west. It started on the western side of Ireland. It's now working its way up in towards Northern Ireland through the afternoon, and eventually that rain crossing the Irish Sea and in towards the western part of Wales and also western Scotland. It's all been brought about by this area of low pressure and these two weather fronts set to cross the British Isles over the next 24 hours. Now there could be some heavier bursts of rain later on this afternoon in Northern Ireland and western parts of Scotland, turning increasingly misty with low cloud over the hills and near to the coast. But some dry weather, I think, in central and eastern areas, albeit rather cloudy, and just a chance of one or two showers developing again in the eastern parts of East Anglia. Now the winds are also freshening up from the southwest. I think the strongest through the Irish Sea, perhaps in the western parts of Scotland. That's quite a mild direction though, and with the wind comes the low cloud and mistiness. Quite a warm day in the southeast, 24 degrees here, but in the cloudier, wetter areas, 18 for Northern Ireland and 17 on the western side of Scotland. And all the cloud and the rain working its way gradually eastwards through the night, so much of the British Isles rather cloudy. The heaviest rainfall likely from North Wales through the northwest of England, Northern Ireland and western parts of Scotland. And here, I think, certainly for the early part of the night, there could be the odd rumble of thunder as that heavier rain arrives, and turning very misty indeed as well. Temperatures tonight, well, 14 in the south, 10 degrees further north, so quite a mild night to come, quite a humid night as well. And then this area of low pressure tomorrow lies right across the British Isles, so it's quite a wet picture and some quite breezy westerly winds as well. The next system follows in behind. There might be a brief interlude for drier weather through Wednesday before that arrives later on in the afternoon, and the low pressure system moving into the south of the North Sea through Thursday and Friday. Now the winds are from quite a mild direction on both days, on both Tuesday and Wednesday. A lot of cloud, a lot of mistiness near to the coast and some outbreaks of rain. And that's the forecast.